Hey guys, welcome. Courses are getting much harder to trust, don't you think? There's so many of them. Which one do you buy, if any? That's why we flipped the script here for 2025 and we're going to give everything away for free inside of this amazing community I'm going to introduce you to today. If you don't know me, my name is Darren and I've spent the last couple of years kind of going headfirst into digital marketing. And listen, I've spent the $2,000 courses. I've spent over $4,000 on courses overall. I've watched thousands, 180 plus modules on some of these courses that just leave you overwhelmed, frustrated, and ready to throw in the towel. So I've made the classic mistake of investing before I was ready to do so. So now I'm doing things differently, and I'm inviting you to come along and do it with me. Because if you're new, overwhelmed, burned out, or from past programs, you've bought programs and you're just unable to sell them, or you've just been left frustrated and a bit lost because there's lacking something, that one thing that might just change your elevation in business. You might be looking for mentorship that it doesn't offer. So you don't need another course, in 2025. You need a clear path. You need a clear path with mentorship and full support. Now, here's the truth that nobody's going to tell you about this. If you know me, and you realize that I kind of make my videos here on YouTube very, very raw, to the point. I don't hide behind BS. I don't fancy all my videos up with all fancy lighting and all of this. It is what it is. I'm in a log cabin. I'm at the back of my garden, and I'm making a living by having an online business. However, the way you need to be doing it this year is the way I'm going to share with you today, because the reason people don't fail because they're lazy, right? They don't. They fail because they've been handed too much information with no clear plan and zero accountability. You buy the program, you get overwhelmed, you ghost the group, you move on to the next shiny object, hoping that it'll fix things, and that you quickly realize that actually it's just a similar course, if not the same course, just taught in a slightly different way. Can you relate to that? Because I felt that time and time again. So this is exactly why we created a better way and a better path for you. So here's how we flipped the script. We created a free affiliate marketing course and free mentorship community. It's going to give you a step-by-step process, a step-by-step roadmap without the noise, that includes live mentorship calls and peer support inside of this free community. Now, this is going to connect you with a proven system. It's going to allow you to start earning online, even if you're starting from complete scratch without any following whatsoever. When I first started, I didn't even have a TikTok account. So the fact I'm sat here creating a video on YouTube kind of blows my mind. And I've been one for going live quite a few times in the past on TikTok, and which is something you tend to have to do if you want to sell those digital marketing courses. Affiliate marketing alleviates that issue. So if that's not for you, this is definitely the business model for you. Affiliate marketing has been around since the internet launched. 86% of companies worldwide have affiliate programs. The opportunity is massive, and this is the business model that you can incorporate into your busy work-life balance, so it doesn't affect your work, it doesn't affect your home life, because you can just simply create content that drives traffic to your link, and then you let the affiliate stacking system do the rest of the work for you. So this process is going to give you access straight away to the free community and the free course. Doesn't ask you for $1 up front, It's no hidden $7 tripwire or free and shipping gimmicks or anything like that. It's a free community with a free course inside, ready for you to start as soon as today, Now, the reason most people will need a win, one win, and the right community turns that first win into momentum. That compounds, has a compound effect. So when you've got a step-by-step process, if you're someone who just needs somebody to say, right, today do that, do this is the next stage of the training, this is what you need to do next, then this is the path for you, Inside this community, you're going to have two paths. You're going to have a path to go down the community route. You're going to have a path to go down the affiliate route. But it's all going to be stacked up, ready to go for you. You've just got to take the right path with the right guidance, follow the mentorship, follow the process, and you can build a business that pays you $1,000 plus commissions. Okay, on autopilot, because you're letting the company on the back end of the business do the hard selling for you. All you're doing is doing the fun part and creating content that converts into high ticket sales. So, in fact, most of the members inside this community, okay, they've all learned from the free program that the $997 one course they regret buying. Okay, the course that they thought was going to be the next life-changing experience for them. The one course that everybody said was a game changer just because it was the latest course. There's always going to be new courses being thrown about. But what you've got to be careful of is, are they just watered down versions of the previous course? Who is creating the content? Who is creating the course? How much experience do they have? Is it a business model that works? Are you someone who just wants to be reselling courses, or do you want to learn affiliate marketing and how to build out a stacking system so you've got multiple income streams without having to go live on social media? If you're happy to do that, fine, you can do that anyway with any business model. But what I'm saying is you don't have to do that with affiliate marketing. Okay, just imagine this. You're earning your first $1,000 commission online, not from luck, but from a clear strategy taught to you by a 7-figure mentor inside the community. Now, when you get inside the mindset of a 7-figure earner, believe me, it's a game changer. It really is, because they think differently, they act differently, and their strategies align with market trends. Instead of just throwing something out there, hoping it's going to stick, or copying somebody else that's had success, you're just becoming a watered down version of that person. You don't want to be doing that, do you? Because you want to be doing something that's actually working today and for the rest of this year. And as the market changes, when you're involved in the community like this, you're getting the up-to-date trends, the up-to-date strategies in an instant. Okay? So this is what you can do when you're working full-time, whether you're a busy parent or going to school, okay? Because the ecosystem fits into your life, like I've said already. You've got one-to-one support. You're not doing this alone. So doors are open for this community right now, okay? There's lots of exciting things happening in this community. So the doors are open for the free mentorship and the free community program as I record this. So if you're serious about building your first or even your next income stream, or if you're just burnt out from selling those digital marketing courses, you don't need to buy another course. You just need a clear strategy. So without wasting any more money for you at this stage on the wrong path or the wrong product, do this first. Then this is where you need to start, okay? This is where you need to start. You've got nothing to lose here. Click that link below. Get instant access to this free community. On the link, I'll ask you for your name and email address, okay? Then you'll see a video of myself. Now, that video might change in the next coming days, okay? Because as my business changed, but the path is the same. So you go there, you watch my video. The link for this free community will be emailed directly to your inbox. So please do go and check your junk folder if it's not in your inbox, because it will be there. It's just sometimes your own security settings, your firewall or settings or anything like that, because it's coming from an autoresponder, may well just put it into your junk folder. If that happens, just move me across to your inbox and then you're good for future reference. So click that link below, join the free community, reach out to me if you've got any questions. You'll probably get a contact from someone on the admin team inside the community anyway, reaching out and welcoming you. So what I will say, if you're tired of overthinking everything and just want someone to say to you, do this next, that's literally what our mentorship is going to give you. So let's make 2025 your breakthrough year, starting today. Click that link below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.